Today, I'm going to be showing you a really easy method to use your personal hotspot on your iPhone. Now, this can be for so many instances. For example, a different device that you have can't connect to the internet, and then you can use your iPhone as a hotspot. It's really easy to do, and if you find this useful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But what you want to do is you want to head on over to your settings. Then you want to head on over to Personal Hotspot. At the very top, you're going to see Allow Others to Join. You just want to toggle that on. Then you just want to set a Wi-Fi password. For example, let's just put it as Joey 2023. Then click done, and now it's pretty much set. And just to confirm that it's definitely set, head on over to your control hub, click on the top left, and you're going to see a lot of different options, but you want to check personal hotspot. Right now it's discoverable, which is actually what we want it to be. If you click it again, it's going to show off, but we don't want it to be off. We want to have it discoverable. Now bear in mind, when your hotspot doesn't need to be used, turn it off, and if you keep it on when it doesn't have to be used, it's actually going to drain your battery more. But whenever you do want to use it, just click it on again, just give whoever needs it the password, and if someone else needs your hotspot, just give them the password and they'll be able to use your iPhone as a personal hotspot.